Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Wealthy Coin Binance Partnership. This is where Shiba Inu coin users become millionaires. Get ready to never work again. There are new ways to improve the Shiba Inu token burning campaign that were suggested by Shoshiro Kusama. Reports from the creator point to Shiba Eternity as the new way to burn. In this video, we'll talk about how the Binance partnership will turn Shiba coin users into millionaires as soon as the blockchain version of the game comes out. Get ready to never work again. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see our newest videos on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, please share the channel and subscribe. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu is one of the tokens that will turn green on September 19. After a terrible weekend in which the joke token went down even further, just below 0.10. When the Shiba Eternity card game came out in Australia, it didn't make the price go up. If SHIB reclaims support at 0.179, it will set the stage for a descending triangle pattern breakout and a long-term rebound. The much-anticipated Shiba Eternity card game went live on iOS over the weekend in Australia. Developers are now working on an Android version, which should be ready in a few days. That's crazy. There will be burns from the game. More information will come soon about why Shiba Eternity is so strong. It's tough and great for people who own Shiba Inu and share them. When the blockchain version comes out, the real question is, where will you be on the day you can download it? On September 17, Shoshiro Kusama wrote on Twitter that the Shiba burn rate had reached a new record high the week before. Last week alone, about 61,219,300 worth of SHIB was burned, which made the burn rate 42 higher. In the last 24 hours, even though the rate of burns is going through the roof, 612,300 SHIB tokens have been burned so far, and 9 transactions of SHIB burns have been revealed on Twitter. Shiba price fell out of a descending triangle pattern support at 0.105. which stopped SHIB price from going more than 46.0, the breaking point at 0.1178. After the bearish candle wick hit a low of $0.999 on September 18, traders began to buy Shiba, which is why the meme token was optimistic on Monday. The SHIB SO uptrend will stay unstable until the breaking point at 0.178 is taken back. If that doesn't happen, losses could reach 46.1, which is equal to $0.632. The moving average convergence on the same daily chart shows a bearish signal. Indicator of divergence Shiba price will go down if the MACD keeps showing negative readings from the price. Support levels at 0.999 and 0.850 are possible. If there is a push to go down to 0.632, the IMAP would be tried at the block points to a strong resistance range between 0.11 and 0.12, most likely stopping the price of Shiba Inu and the price of Shiba Inu. This area is not likely to happen because as the Shiba Inu price rises again, buyers in that area may sell at their own break-even points, which would solidify the resistance. Shiba users can finally breathe easier now that their token has joined the other victims of the crypto slide. Shoshiro Kusama said that the Shiba ecosystem would be getting some big changes soon. Kusama says that the changes will be good for SHIB, show shareholders and share them. Could this upcoming release day be the perfect chance for Shiba Inu to get back on track, since it's having a hard time right now despite the 19 September crypto bloodbath? It's getting weird for the top crypto whales at SHIB Holdings. New update to a website that tracks whales shows that the top 5,000 Ethereum whales hold $143.6 million worth of SHIB. The Shiba Inu Fire portal SHIB has said that the rate of the tokens is rising. Because of this, more than 550 million SHIB tokens have been sent to a dead bank in the last 8 days. The burn rate has gone up to a 4-digit level in the last week. The burn rate went up by almost 3,000 on September 16, when almost 200 million coins were burned. Even with these positive feelings, the market looked bad. SHIB was down more than 11 on the daily chart at 0.106, and it was down more than 20 on the weekly chart. This change in market sentiment has also caused trade volume on Shiba Inu to drop to its lowest level since June 5. It lost more than 284 billion SHIB compared to 157.48 cm in the last few days. This has been the general direction for the SHIB token over the past month. This is Sir John Richmond, an official business partner of Shiba Inu. He is ready to make a splash with his new collection and lots of big news as Milan Fashion Week gets ready to begin. John Richmond, a famous English designer who now lives in Italy, recently tweeted that he is ready to show off his new collection at Milan Fashion Week, which starts on September 20, 2022. The Shiba Inu community was also interested when Shiba Inu's official IR business partner said he would have a lot of big news at the event and asked the community a question. What do you think this fashion week will be like? John Richmond wrote that Milan Fashion Week is coming up soon and the city is already getting excited. He also said Sir John Richmond is ready to show off his new collection and you're about to hear a lot of big news. What do you think this fashion week will be like? SHIB is a blockchain layer 2 answer that was first suggested by Richest, who made Shiba Inu coin. SHIB tokens will be moved to the L2 once it starts up. Richest first used the word blockchain SHIB, which is more likely to mean an L2 that is added on top of an existing blockchain. Author said there isn't much difference between an L2 and a controlled blockchain. What's the real difference between a BSC and a Matic L2? It's important to note that SHIB is not its blockchain and does not mean that a Shiba Inu 2.0 token is on the way. It will still be possible to connect SHIB to Ethereum, and one of the key goals will be to lower transaction fees for people in the Shiba ecosystem. Richest first said that SHIB's transaction fees would be very low when they talked on the Shiba Discord. Shoshare Kusama, the project leader, said that SHIB will charge low prices for any service game or thing that builds on it. The cryptocurrency was going against the overall bearish trend of the market. Luckily, Shiba Inu broke through the odd and saw amazing growth in March. According to figures from CoinMarketCap, it went up 20 in the last week. There is also Shiba Army, which wants to bring SHIB back into the spotlight. Constant burnings and new features added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem are predicted to make it more valuable this year. That's why investors are already putting money into the Shiba Inu token before it goes on a rally, like the one in 2021. Interestingly, this Shiba rally in 2022 caught a lot of crypto fans by surprise. SHIB didn't let investors down, but the market wasn't ready for the start of the bull run in March, even though the bears took over. Shiba Inu has now made up some of the ground. It lost this year and is now above both its 20-day and 50-day exponential moving averages. Still, it needs to keep going to break through its temporary resistance level. But forecasts say that this month, SHIB could see a 100 rise. Netcoins is an online cryptocurrency exchange in Canada that makes it easy to buy, sell, and keep cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu was added there not long ago. On top of that, fashion brands like John Richmond have revealed SHIB and leash burns to make the tokens more valuable. People are interested in what kind of Shiba into a crypto research company called Telenway, which uses AI, said would happen. Based on the in-depth research, the company thinks the SHIB will reach a high point of $961 by 2050. SHIB is likely to reach a new all-time high by 2025 after Bitcoin is bought. Analysts think that Shiba Inu will get a new aid title by 2040. That's all for today. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our newest videos.